The Dubois Community Center in Montgomery County is holding a free health fair this Saturday.
And I was told it is one of the greatest health fairs out there.
That's what I was told, yeah.
What I was told. So today we are joined by Valerie Scott, Shuanna Binion, and of course Tina Bryant to tell us more about the health fair. So thank you all so much for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Absolutely. So tell us a little bit about what the health fair is all about.
The health fair is to provide health care to all the people in the community. And so we are having a free health fair with a lot of partners, including Sterling Health in UK. Just so many people are coming to be able to get tests. And the reason it's the greatest health fair, we have a grant from Common Spirit Hospitals that is allowing us to have people sign up for testing with Lifeline screening, where they test for arteries, blockages. A lot of men in particular don't get tested, don't go to the doctor, and you see them at church on Sunday, and then the next week they're dead because they fall out and they had a heart attack. Didn't know they had blockages. And so this is one of the things that they're doing for that. They're providing us to have an opportunity for a free healthy lunch box as you leave, and they also help providing food for people. So it's just going to be great. We didn't ever have that opportunity before, so we're excited.
Oh, it sounds like, and it sounds like it will be a fun time. So, of course, we know that you are partnering with them to have this event. What does it mean to the hospital?
Well, we're Sterling Healthcare, which is FQHC in Mount Sterling. We come every year and we offer like free health screenings where we'll do glucose test, which just checks your sugar. We'll check your blood pressure. We'll do your A1Cs. So one of the things that I feel like it's important with these health fairs is so we have so many people in the community and surrounding communities that don't do health care, don't have primary care providers. Some have never even been before to a primary care provider. So they can come to us, they can get their blood pressure checked, we can check their A1C, which determines if they're a diabetic or new onset. And we have a provider there with nurses that can ask questions.
Wow.
Answer their questions for them. We'll also be doing flu shots, tetanus shots, COVID vaccines, which is very important right now with the new CDC indication. If you're 65 or over, you need an additional vaccine in the spring.
Do you have to have insurance to get some of those vaccines?
No, you do not.
Okay.
No,
Everything
you
is
do not.
free.
So everything, I mean, right down to
Even
the
the shingles.
vaccinations.
The shingles,
yes,
you
we'll
know
do
how
the shingles
important
vaccine.
shingles is. It can be very painful.
Yes.
And I was so grateful that they were giving free shingles vaccine.
Yes.
And anybody that had chicken pox growing up, they recommend you get that. Is that correct? Is that the way that goes?
That is correct.
Before you're 50 or at 50? Is that the way that goes?
60 and over.
60 and over? Okay.
Yes.
Because it can be very painful from everybody I've known that has ended up with it too.
Absolutely. So tell us again how we can get involved. If we miss it, where should we go? How can we contact you all maybe for some time down the line?
You can contact us at the Dubois Community Center. The grant allows us to have 2 health fairs a year. So we'll be having another one in November. And also you get a free ride from your home to the health fair and back. Gateway Community Action is giving free rides on Saturday. And that's so important. And that number on the bottom of the flyer, you can call that number and get a free ride.
Okay, we have
back
that
and
number on the
forth,
screen.
To your home. And that will allow health care for, now we say for everyone. If you don't have a ride, if you have transportation, if you don't, you can come to the health fair.
You are making it so convenient for people to access affordable health care right now.
Absolutely, and that's called health equity. So that's what it's all about, making sure everybody have the opportunity, whether or not you have a ride, whether or not you have insurance or not. And if you don't have insurance, and let's say I get tested for my arteries and it's blockages, where do I go? Mount Sterling, right here, you can get providers there, and they can give you things like that. So we have people like that will be following up with you. So it's just a blessing. I mean, this is a blessing for everybody.
Right, I mean, because you're going to have a ton of information there, right?
So Sterling Healthcare is a community health center that provides primary care, behavioral health, dental, vision, pharmacy services. So being partnered with the Dubois Community Health Fair, if anybody does need health care afterwards, they can easily come and see one of our providers right there in the community. If you don't have insurance, we still help people. We take all insurances, but if you don't have insurance, we still take you and will help you and never turn anybody away.
So I was going to say, so no one is getting turned away,
No one's getting
especially in
turned
that
away.
time of
Even
need.
kids can come because the Blue Grass Lions Project is going to be there for eye screening for all kids up to 18 years old. So kids come, they get a lunch, they get everything. So everybody from 65-year-old, from 0 to 6 months on up. So we want the whole family to come. So this is
great.
going to be.
Yeah.
I see why she calls it the best
The
one.
greatest one, yeah.
And it's just just a blessing. And also we have our flyer in Spanish. I believe we sent you all that too.
Yeah, yeah.
So we want to make sure that all of our diverse communities are taking advantage of this. We have a very wonderful Mount Sterling community, and we want to make sure that everyone feel welcome, everyone feel valued, help valued, and also frontier housing. If you have your roof is leaking or something's going on in your house, they're going to be there to help you. And we have testimonials from last year where they helped people who came to the health fair. So when you see people in the community say they got a new roof, they got their porch fixed, they got things fixed at their houses, it's just a blessing.
But that's also part of healthcare what people don't realize.
Yes.
Stress can cause so much.
That's
the
what
fact
we
that you were
talked about this
able to
morning.
fix your
Yeah.
your mental,
Roof, yeah.
your roof is
Mental
fixed. You don't
health.
have to worry about it, the stress of it all. So that is definitely a part of healthcare.
Yes, and that's called home health. And so they can make sure that people feel like, where do I go to get that help?
Yeah.
So that's the thing we love about you all. You all get the word out. You all help us help others. And by having us here, people see this. They can go to our Dubois Community Center Facebook page, and they can see everything that's been happening from last year, 2 years ago, and see the testimonials that we are helping this community.
Excellent. Tomorrow from 10.
From 10 a.m. to 1.
Excellent.
And we will also have interpreters there for
Oh,
the
yeah.
Spanish-speaking community.
Wow.
Yes.
You
And
thought
that-
of everything.
And that
Tried to think of
interpreter was a Hispanic Black Achiever with our program in Montgomery County. And now he went to Morehead State, graduated, working for you
Works
all.
for Sterling
He's going to
Healthcare.
be at the Dubois where he was there as a teenager interpreting, helping the community.
That is
So
fantastic.
just to see
It's
how
a full circle.
full circle,
Thank you.
giving back to the community.
We
Thank you
appreciate
both so
much.
much.
All right.